In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream vertical video on OBS Studio, YouTube, and TikTok tutorial. If you want your content to look perfect on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, you need a 9:16 canvas. We'll set that up in OBS, make your scene vertical, and adjust your sources so everything fits cleanly. Start by opening OBS Studio on your computer. Once it's open, look to the bottom right corner and click the Settings button. In the Settings window, head to the Video tab. This is where we control the size and shape of your stream. You'll see two important fields: base canvas resolution and output scaled resolution. The base resolution is the working area where you design your scene. The output resolution is what viewers actually see. To make your stream vertical, type 1080x1920 in both fields. This flips the aspect ratio to portrait while keeping full HD clarity. You don't need to change your FPS here unless you have a specific reason. 30 or 60 works well depending on your content and hardware. After you apply those changes, your preview will switch to a vertical canvas. That's exactly what we want. Now it's time to make your sources fit that new layout. Click on your camera, gameplay, or any media in the sources list, and use the red bounding box to resize and reposition. Drag the corners to scale and click and drag to place elements where you want them. If something doesn't fit perfectly, you can crop by holding the Alt key while dragging a handle, which helps remove empty space or unwanted edges. Aim to keep important content centered and leave a little room at the top or bottom for captions, alerts, or chat overlays so nothing gets cut off on mobile screens. If your camera is oriented horizontally, consider rotating it in the transform menu or reframing it to a tighter portrait crop so it fills the vertical space naturally. For gameplay, think about stacking your camera above or below the game window or using a blurred duplicate background to fill the sides cleanly. For an even smoother workflow, you can download and install the Atom Vertical plugin. This tool is designed to streamline vertical workflows inside OBS, helping with layouts and platform-friendly exports. Make sure you grab it from a trusted source and match the version to your OBS release for stability. That's it. With your canvas set to 1080 x 1920 and your sources arranged for portrait, you're ready to go live to vertical first platforms with a clean professional look. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.